In this video, I'm going to be showing you the benefits of Amazon Brand Registry. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, first things first, Amazon Brand Registry is a separate platform. It gives you tons of advantages if you sell on Amazon. So you can just type in Brand Registry Amazon on Google. You need a trademark, then you apply, you get accepted, and then your whole brand can get tons of benefits. Here are some of the benefits already for you. So we've got A+ content. If you're brand registered, you can get premium A+ content, sponsored brands. So that's special advertising, brand store. You can have videos on your listing, a special brand analytics tab, brands dashboard. You can see your customer reviews, reply to them, Amazon Attribution, manage your experiments, Amazon Live, Amazon Buying, subscribe and save, virtual bundles, brand catalog manager, manage your customer engagement and posts. So I'm going to go over all of these very quickly so you understand what they are and you understand all of the cool benefits that you can get if you are brand registered. So number one, we are doing the A+ content. So A+ content is awesome. If you go to a listing and you scroll down, it says their product description and it has photos and videos in their product description. That's A+ content. That's automatically going to increase credibility, and it does help increase sales by around 5%. Number two is sponsored brands. Sponsored brands is an advertising where you can sponsor your own brand, and this is it. So I just typed in one of our clients, AccuLeaf, and then you can see at the top, this is a sponsored brand ad. You can only do this if you are brand registered. You can see it says sponsored. It promotes 3 of their products, and it has like a little slideshow all the way at the top of the screen. It could be helpful and help increase sales. Number 3 is Amazon Store. So if you go to your listing, you can click visit the AccuLeaf store. You can have your own store. It's like a mini website on Amazon, and it hosts all of your products so people can come here, click and buy right away. It's a pretty cool thing. It does help increase sales, again, by around 5%. Number 4, upload and manage videos. You can just upload videos to your listing, just like this one here. Number 5 is the brand analytics tab. This is an analytics tab. It kind of shows you your total customers, promising customers, at-risk customers, and it gives you a lot of details about your product. Number 6 is your brand dashboard. It kind of just shows you how you can build your brand and improve your brand with different things that Amazon can offer. Number 7 is customer reviews. This is where you can actually see your customer reviews, and if they're negative, you can reach out and attempt to get them resolved. It's a great feature that only brands have access to right now on Amazon. Number 8 is Amazon Attribution, and this is where you can create a special link, and that way you can track, you can measure the impact of search, social, email display, and video media channels based on customer discover, research, and buy your products on Amazon. So it pretty much has like a special link so you can track to see where these customers are doing on your social media. It's a pretty good way to track and measure your across media off of Amazon. So if you're promoting your products on Instagram or Facebook and you want to track to see how that actually does. Number 9 is manage experiments. This is where you can A to B test your first image. So maybe you have 2 different first images or 2 different titles and you want to see which one does better. Amazon's actually going to let you run an A to B test experiment. Maybe this first image is more colorful, this one's more dark, and the customers like the more colorful one. Amazon's going to automatically give you the exact clicks, the impressions, and run it for a period of time back and forth. It's a really great tool to see what you can do to improve your listing. Amazon Live allows you to go live on Amazon and then showcase your products to other people. So you can try to help you generate more sales. Amazon Vine is great if you have a new product. This is one of the most important benefits other than A+ content. And that is where you give away your 30 units of your product and you get about 25, maybe 30 reviews in return. So if you don't have a lot of reviews on Amazon, this is a great way to generate those first reviews and it's usually essential in most people's product launch checklist. Next up is subscribe and save. Subscribe and save is awesome because you can offer a discount if they sign up for monthly orders. And we know that if you get a product and it's ordered every single month, you're gonna have more sales every single month, and you're gonna have dedicated customers. Just like this listing you can see in the right corner, it's a 10% off if you order every 3 months. You can set it up now. And then you can also get a 15% off if you order, let's say 5 more units, you can get 15% off. Virtual bundles is the next thing. So if you sell a jar of peanut butter and a jar of jelly, so they're separate listings, you just sell peanut butter and you just sell jelly, what Amazon will do is they'll make a virtual listing and they'll put the peanut butter and jelly together. And that way, if somebody orders, Amazon will actually find the peanut butter, find the jelly, put it together and ship it to the customer. It's a great way to test to see if products work together before actually putting them together in a bundle. So for example, if you sell on Amazon FBA with peanut butter, you sell on Amazon FBA with jelly, and then somebody places an order, Amazon's going to manually pick both of the separate listings, put them together, and then ship it to the customer. It's just a great way for bundling and to test them out. And then we're going to go over the last 3 together, the brand catalog manager and the manager customer engagement. These 2 are slowly being removed, so you most likely can't have access to them, which is completely okay. But then the last one is posts, and that's where you can get if you're posting on Instagram, you can take those Instagram posts and put it on posts.amazon.com. Amazon will then take those posts and then show it all over Amazon. If somebody clicks on it, then it'll go directly to your Amazon listing and you can generate more sales. It's like free advertising, so it's definitely highly recommended. And that's it for today's video. I really appreciate you watching this. If you enjoyed this and you learned something new, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller or thinking about being one, I highly recommend you subscribe, because we're going to be giving you a lot of great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help selling on Amazon, feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. This is what we specialize in, and we know exactly what we can do for you to help you succeed. Talk to you soon.